topic of the new European Architectural Barometer of this quarter is branding. And branding is and always has been a very important topic for manufacturers and suppliers to the construction industry. One of the key reasons why it's so important is that at this point, on a product level, manufacturers cannot always make the difference anymore for their customers. And on branding, that is something that you can really distinguish yourself on. And that's why it's really crucial and important to know your position within your own product category. What do you think about that, dear?
No, I fully agree. And we clearly see that when we do large-scale European or even worldwide brand researches for our clients, that this information is vital for the total marketing plan. But obviously, not every manufacturer can run such a dedicated brand research once a year or even twice a year. So what we would like to offer is a short brand health scan that can give you your brand position in a nutshell on a more frequent basis against lower investments. So, Jeroen, can you tell me what exactly is in the report?
That is exactly what is in the report. So we offer a brand scan of 12 different product categories where we have asked the architects in 8 European countries about the brands that they know, but also which brands they have specified in the past 12 months. So that's what you get in the report, the results on these questions for 8 different countries actually.
Of course, there's much more information in the full report. We do not only look at the BIM adoption, but also what platforms are they using to get their BIM information. What software are they using? What are the key drivers and barriers that will help this trend either to grow or to slowly evolve or not evolve at all?
Yeah, and the full report is now available. If you would like to have more information, you can always visit the website or contact us directly.